Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through my makeup bag. So this bag is from Shoppers Drug Mart and it's the brand Quo. Let's get started. So first off, moisturizer. I love this Olay Complete Moisturizer. It has SPF 15, it's for sensitive skin. My skin is very sensitive. I use this every day. I love the thickness, it's not too thick, and it rubs in really nicely. Next off is primer. I use this Maybelline Master Prime. It's called Blur and Smooth 100. You can tell how much I love it because clearly I am out and need to buy some more. And I definitely use this every time I wear makeup. I love how it goes on my skin and it doesn't clog my pores. So all of these products you can find at the drugstore or like Walmart or Target, anything like that. Next is foundation. I have this Garnier BB cream in light. To be honest, I don't use this a lot. It's very thick and as I said, my skin is very sensitive. I'll even cut this with half this and half moisturizer. Next is concealer. I love this Dream Matte Mousse in number 1 light. And I know it's a foundation, but I like how it conceals. I'll use a brush or just use my finger to dab it on. I use this on blemishes or under my eyes. Not very much though, it's very thick. Next is powder. This I use every day. Maybelline Fit Me 120 Classic Ivory. I use the e.l.f. blending brush. And I love this. It's perfect. As you can tell, I really like Maybelline products. They don't break the bank and I don't break out from them. Next is bronzer. This is the Maybelline City Bronzer in 100. I'll use this usually in the summer. I'll just dab a little bit on with the brush to give a nice glow. A very sun-kissed glow. Next is eyeshadow. I have this Maybelline Nudes palette. I use an e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. I usually use this one that I'm dabbing into. And it's very easy to blend. It's a very light, minimalist look. Next is eyeliner. I use the Maybelline Eyeliner Gel in charcoal. And I use an e.l.f. small angled brush. I like a very light line. Not too bold. I use this every day as well. Next is mascara, and again I just use Maybelline. This is the Colossal. I get whatever's on sale, and I always get it in waterproof. I curl my eyelashes first and then put on the mascara. Last is lips. Very minimal. Just some Vaseline. This is the Pink Bubbly. It smells wonderful. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe so you don't miss my next one. Thanks for watching.